Welcome to Berry Life, bringing you easy and delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes every week. On today's episode, we're making Chili Paneer. Chili Paneer is an Indo Chinese recipe originating in the northeastern part of India. Since the 90s, Indo Chinese cuisine has gained in popularity. It usually involves taking Chinese flavors and techniques of cooking and applying them to traditionally Indian ingredients such as paneer. If you want to make this recipe vegan, you can replace the paneer with extra firm tofu. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need about a pound of paneer, 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. We'll use half to fry the paneer, and the other half to create a slurry to help thicken the sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a few tablespoons of water. With these ingredients, we'll create a batter and air fry the paneer to be nice and crispy. And for the sauce, we'll need 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using safflower oil here, but you can use any neutral oil. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, along with 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of black soy sauce or dark soy sauce. This contains sugar, so it's sweeter than the normal soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, or you can use ketchup or even sweet and sour sauce. 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. We use this brand from a local Indian grocery store called Ching's. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is more for color and optional if you can't find whole dried chilies. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. As this is chili paneer, we'll need some chilies. We're going to use 2 to 3 dried red Kashmiri chilies. These are not spicy. And 2 fresh green chilies slivered. These are spicy. Two cups of onions, cut into large pieces, and with the layers separated. We want our main ingredients to be roughly the same size. Along with 2 cups of bell peppers, also cut into large pieces. A 1/4 cup of green onions, equal amounts of both green and white parts, and some sesame seeds for garnish. If you're new to this channel, glad you could join us. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of foodies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, be sure to share it with your friends and family to spread the love. By doing so, you'll be helping to support this channel. And click the bell icon for future upload notifications. We upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. We'll start by soaking the dried red chilies in warm water for about 10 minutes to help them rehydrate. While the chilies are taking a bath, we'll air fry the paneer, starting by cutting the paneer into bite-sized pieces. We'll go with about 3/4 inch pieces. From this one block, we'll get about 30 pieces. With the paneer cut, we'll transfer it to a large mixing bowl. We'll dust the bowl with some cornstarch so the paneer doesn't stick to the bowl. As we transfer the paneer, we'll add a little bit more cornstarch along the way to help with separation. With all the paneer pieces in the bowl, we'll top it off with more cornstarch. This step should take about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, leaving the other 2 for the cornstarch slurry. To the bowl, we'll add the all-purpose flour, along with salt and black pepper. Now we'll give all the paneer pieces a toss to coat all sides with this dry mixture. Traditionally, the paneer pieces are dipped in a runny batter and then deep fried. But because we're air frying, we'll use a sticky batter with just a few spoons of water. With the paneer pieces coated, we'll start by adding 2 spoons of water and combine. We'll gently mix until all the water is absorbed. And if we still see there's dry flour, we'll add a spoonful of water at a time. There, this looks good. All the water is absorbed, and the batter is sticking to the paneer. Now we're ready to air fry. We've lined the air fryer bucket with parchment paper, and to it we'll spray on cooking spray to prevent sticking. Now we'll lay out the paneer pieces, spacing them apart. This will prevent the paneer pieces from sticking to each other, and allow them to crisp up on all sides. With the paneer pieces loaded, we'll place them into the air fryer and air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Halfway through, we'll turn off the air fryer and flip the pieces over. They're really starting to crisp up. Careful not to burn your finger like I almost did, and be sure to use a fork when turning the pieces over. If you know an easier way to turn these pieces over, please let us know in the comments below. Now we'll spray it with cooking spray one more time and place the bucket back in the air fryer to finish frying. And with the wave of a wand, it's 8 minutes later. The paneer pieces not only look amazing, they sound even better. They're still pretty hot, but I can't resist. The paneer pieces are perfectly crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. With these results, why would you want to deep fry? With the paneer fried, we'll go ahead and quickly process the red chili peppers into a paste. We'll cut off the stems and de-seed them before throwing them into the processor. While not shown here, we added a couple of spoonfuls of water to help form the paste, and we'll process for a couple of minutes until we get something that looks like this. That color is just so vibrant. This paste will help give the chili paneer its signature reddish hue. Now we can cook the chili paneer. We'll start by heating a wok over medium-high heat. To it we'll add a tablespoon of oil and allow it to heat up. With the oil hot, we'll add the onions and the bell peppers. We'll saute these for about a minute or two and then transfer them to a bowl. We don't want to overcook these. We just want to eliminate the rawness of the onions and the peppers, but still maintain that crisp bite. Stirring a few times, a couple of tosses of the wok. That's all there is to it. We'll transfer these to a bowl while we prepare the sauce. To make the sauce, we'll start with a tablespoon of oil and allow it to heat up. With the oil hot, we'll add the minced garlic and the grated ginger and saute for about a minute. This will help the oil be infused with that ginger garlicky flavor. Now we'll add the green chilies, which we've sliced lengthwise, along with the red Kashmiri chili paste. We'll saute for about 30 seconds and allow the oil to absorb that rich red color. We'll go ahead and add the Kashmiri red chili powder. It's optional, but we have it, so why not? The more the merrier. Now we'll go ahead and add the black soy sauce, which is savory and slightly sweet, the red chili sauce, which is spicy and tangy, along with the sweet chili sauce, or ketchup or sweet and sour sauce. Please be sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family to help support this channel, so we can keep bringing you more great recipes every week. Now we'll add the brown sugar. It may seem odd to add sweet ingredients to a spicy dish, but actually the sweetness enhances the spiciness. At this point, we'll go ahead and add a cup of water and bring the sauce to a simmer. You can add more water if you'd like additional sauce. Once the sauce is simmering, we'll go ahead and add the cornstarch slurry, which is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water. This will help thicken the sauce almost immediately, and it will give it that restaurant shine. Now we'll introduce the onions and the peppers to the sauce, and give them a gentle mix. We don't want to mix them for long and risk overcooking the vegetables. Now we'll add the white parts of the green onion. A little bit of heat will help them soften. And we'll leave the green part for garnish. And finally, we'll add the air-fried paneer pieces and vinegar for a burst of brightness. And mix everything until all the paneer pieces are coated with the sauce. This should take only about 15 seconds. We don't want to overcook and risk losing the crispiness of the paneer. This looks good. That's it. That's all there is to it. The chili paneer is done. It looks so good. This is one dish I would literally eat every day if I could. Now we'll go ahead and turn off the heat and serve. Today we're enjoying the chili paneer with plain basmati rice, which offers a nice break from the spiciness of the chili paneer. And serve ourselves a generous portion of chili paneer. You have got to try this recipe. It's just such a wonderful combination of flavors and textures. If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And a plate for my wife. If you haven't done so, be sure to subscribe. We'll be uploading recipes every week, so be sure to turn on future upload notifications by hitting that bell icon. We'll sprinkle on some sesame seeds for a little bit of crunch, along with some green onions. There you have it, chili paneer, a taste of Indo Chinese cuisine in the comfort of your own kitchen. As mentioned earlier, if you want to make this recipe vegan, you can replace the paneer with extra firm tofu. It works exactly the same way. Oh man, that is so good. The paneer still has a majority of its crispiness, and so do the peppers, and that sauce just coats the tongue, and the paneer has this satisfying chew. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to help support this channel, and let us know in the comments below your favorite paneer recipes. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag us on Instagram at BerryBerryLife. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy!